Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. We're on an L322 Range Rover today. We're changing the desiccant pack on the compressor for the air suspension using an X8R kit. Okay, so this is the offending article. What we're going to be doing is disconnect airlines and such like that. This is the check valve. If I remember correctly, these can stay on. And we can disconnect here and undo the bolts and bring the whole thing out, but this is the offending article. So undo electrical connectors, airlines, that sort of thing, and it's this that goes faulty. This is the desiccant pack. So we're going to be rebuilding this, and if we have a quick feel of the actual compressor itself, that's running quite hot. I don't want to touch that too much. So yeah, let's get the tools out. We'll remove that, we'll take it on the bench and we'll pull it apart and have a look, see what's faulty with it. Right, so that's the desiccant pack off, and you might be able to see in there that is a bit crusty. So that is desiccanting no more. So what we're going to do now is change the O-ring just here, clean it all up, change the O-ring, and change the desiccant, and we'll see where we get from there. Okay, so that's the desiccant out, and as you can see, it's not the greatest. It's actually quite wet as well. It's been better, and it's fairly white in colour, and that's what it should look like. So let's clean up the desiccant housing and fill the new desiccant in, change pads, things like that. And yeah, these are reusable. They might look a little bit manky, but that's fine. They're functional in a humid environment. So yeah, let's get rid of this. Let's put the new stuff in. See, at this point we didn't really know what we were doing, rebuilding the actual compressor itself. So we're having a look at the instructions that X8R come with, if you scan the QR code on the back. So yeah, we'll work that out and then we'll actually rebuild it. Okay, so as you can see now, the Dash is clear of errors. It's going up and down through its cycle. Happy days, no problems there. Let's have a look at the outside of the vehicle, watch it actually go up and down. Days. Well, that's everything done. The desiccant pack's been replaced. Thanks again to X8R. Everything's great, thank you very much. The suspension does work. It did take a little while for the humidity in the pipework to go through the desiccant pack and get cleaned and things like that, and everything's well. But it goes up, it goes down, there's no error message on the dash. Bueno. Speaking of bueno, if you liked it, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, usual YouTubey good stuff. Make sure you go and visit all my sponsors. Visit X8R. This is actually a piston kit for the compressor, which we'll do in a different video at some point. Go visit Form 7 Performance, all the discount codes on the screen, that sort of thing. Go and visit TSA Performance for anything that you need for your 1KR. It's not really relevant to this video, but go visit them anyway. And we've got Mishimoto, which is on screen as well, and we've also got Blossom Automotive too. So go visit all my sponsors, go show them some love. Speaking of love, remember, like I said, like the video, share, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And if you got any useful out of it, great, happy with that, glad I could help. In the meantime, you know what to do. Go subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.